Hi guys! Today we're here in one of the exclusive village here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. We're here at Solen Residences. And right now guys, we have a great news because we are officially launching the Phase 1D, which is an extension of Solen Residences. So kung ikaw ay naubusan ng around 150 square meter dito sa Phase 1C and you are willing to invest ng lot dito sa Metro Santa Rosa area, this is your chance. Dahil launch na po right now ang Phase 1D, so pwede na tayong makakuha ng affordable lots, and the good thing here, it has a very flexible payment terms pa, no? And may bubuksan din tayong newly entrance gate malapit dito sa Phase 1D. Ipapakita ko yan dito sa video, so watch until the end. So right now guys, before tayo magpunta sa Phase 1D, no? Right now we're here at the Solen Clubhouse. In front of that, nandito tayo sa mga model houses. So meron tayo dito 4 na model house, pero in this video, papakita ko sa inyo itong aming newly renovated namin na model house, which is the Raiya, no? And dito sa loob guys, mapapakita ko sa inyo yung mga gamit para at least you can have an idea. And also, ito rin yung pwede nyo ipatayo dito sa Phase 1D. Kaya maganda na makita nyo rin to, no? So, simulan natin yung tour, no? Medyo mabilis lang. So, we have a 2-car garage dito sa front, and we have an access going here to our service area. And also, if gusto nyo lagyan ng maid's room, meron din po tayo diyang allotted na room, no? So, hindi lang natin pupuntahan dahil bibilisan lang natin. So, paikot dito sa house, meron pa tayo diyang papuntang lanay area, papuntang backyard. So, literally, depende naman yan sa inyo actually. Depende sa pagpapatayo nyo ng bahay. The good thing here in Solen, you are going to invest in a lot and you will design your own house. Kaya naman kayo masusunod from ground zero talaga. Okay? So, let's start the tour inside. So, pagpasok nyo dito is makikita nyo itong ating open layout. And nadaanan natin sa ilalim ng hagdan is meron tayo diyang powder room, no? Which is, pakita ko na lang sa video. And dito naman, since open layout nga siya, ito yung ating living area. Ayan. And it's a high ceiling. And the good thing here dito kay Solen or kay Greenfield, mahilig sila sa high ceiling. But again, it always depends on you kung paano mo ipapatayo yung bahay mo. Yun na kinaganda. Your design ang masusunod. Especially sa interior, no? So again, it's an open layout. Here's your living area. And here's your dining area adjacent to your kitchen area. So dito, naglagay lang sila ng countertop, refrigerator, and ito yung kanilang sink. And again, pwede nyo baguhin yung mga layout na to. Nakikita nyo dito as long as gusto nyo yung gantong layout or hindi, kayo po yung masusunod. Meron ditong cabinets, and nandito yung access natin guys, papuntang service area or driver's room or maid's room. Pwede po. Kayo pong bahala. Again, we're here at the kitchen area. Nandito yung ating lutuan. Dito tayo pwede mag-prepare ng food. The good thing here, no, kasi pag may bisita ka or yung family mo nandito, madali lang makihalubilo. Kasi nga open layout lang siya. So ngayon, mapuntahan naman natin yung ating second floor. So we're now here on our second floor dito sa ating model house. Again, we're here at Raiya Model House here in Solen Residences. So mapapansin nyo dito sa second floor, dito sa stairs niya, is meron siyang chandelier, and also open din yung ating window, which is will give us a natural ventilation and natural light, no, dito sa ating bahay. And meron ka ring window dito na nabubuksan, pwedeng pumasok yung natural air galing sa inyong balcony na may access dito sa ating master's bedroom, which is later papakita ko sa inyo. So dito we have an hallway, and it will lead us to our first bedroom. Papahinga lang ako. Yan, game. And it would lead us to our first bedroom. This is perfect for our kids. So meron siyang cabinets dito and beds, no? Yung makikita natin sa isang room, no? But again, you can design naman yan kung sino ang gagamit, no? So dito meron tayong view ng ating living area since high ceiling. And dito naman yung ating magiging common toilet and bath dito sa second floor. So, punta naman tayo dito sa ating second room, which is provision for our kids. As you can see, meron pa nga ditong crib kung saan pwede yung baby natin, no? Or kung pwedeng gusto nyo, bunk beds, pwede rin. Para kung meron kayong 2 kids, pwede sila magkasama sa kwarto, no? And finally, we have here the master's bedroom with own ensuite toilet and bath, which is right here. So, continue natin. Dito tayo ngayon sa ating bed area. Ayan, ito na yung pinaka-master's bedroom natin. Ang nagustuhan ko dito, nakaharap siya dito sa facade ng house. So, yung pinaka-glass window nila dito, pumapasok yung natural flow ng air and light. No? Very welcoming and napakagaan lang sa vibe ng isang titira. Especially kung kayo ay titira sa ganitong bahay. And again, it has an access, going to our balcony. Ang gusto ko dito guys, no, sa bahay na to, is yung may access lang sa balcony is itong masters. Ako kasi, mas prepared ko yun, kesa yung lahat may access. Kasi mangyari, pwede sila makapunta sa mga kwarto mo, diba? So dito, kayo lang yung may access na mag-partner. So sa umaga, pwede kayo dito, no, and kung sa hapon, pwede rin kayo mag-stay dito, mag-coffee, or just realize or talk about business. So, depende na sa inyo, guys. So, again, ito yung ating model house natin dito sa Solen Residences. This is Raia Model House and this is perfect if you are going to invest from 150 square meter lot. Pwede nyo na po itong ipatayo yung ganitong bahay. But in Solen Residences, it's a lot-only investment and you can build your own house later on. So, kung kayo ay naghahanap ng investment, this is perfect for you. So, right now, we're talking about investment. Puntahan naman natin ngayon yung Phase 1D kung saan yung exact location nito. So, tara! So right now, we're here at Phase 1C naman, no guys. Nakikita nyo, nandito tayo ngayon sa actual development and pakitaan ko kayo ng konting videos. Papakita ko na lang sa video. And we're talking about Phase 1D. The good thing here in Phase 1D, if you are looking for a lot na around 150 square meter, kung naubusan ka sa Phase 1C, dito sa Phase 1D, you had a chance na makakuha ng ganitong sukat. And isa pang special about Phase 1D, no guys, meron tayo ditong around 170 square meter na corner lot. So, ang mindset kasi, di ba, usually kapag ka corner lot is we are looking for something around 200, 300, 400 square meter and up para makakuha ng corner lot. But dito, pwede ka makakuha ng kahit around 170 square meter, no? So, magiging available po yan. Abangan nyo lang, no? I-release din po natin yan sa ating YouTube, yung mga inventory. But if you want to know more about the details of that property, you can message us directly, no? Dahil di pa naman siya officially launch yung Phase 1D, no? Pero I'll share it with you na guys para sa mga kagaya nyo na nag-iisip ng investment or saan nga ba pwedeng mag-invest ng lote dito sa Metro Santa Rosa area, especially napakalapit lang dito sa New Valley and Eaton Greenfield exit. So nakikita nyo sa mapa sa likod ko, it's a Phase 1C. Ang price per square meter natin dito is around 49,000 pesos per square meter up to 55,000 pesos per square meter, but it depends on the lot, no? So kung naghahanap kayo ng starting investment, this one is also good kasi 49,000 nga lang yung price niya comparing to other developments na around 50 to 55 na yung starting price pa lang nila. So around 60 na siguro yung mga corner lot nila, no? But dito, pwede pa kayo makaposisyon pero sa mas magaan na investment lamang, no? Speaking of magaan, guys, dito sa Phase 1D or Phase 1C, no, actually, I prepare a sample computation. Gaano nga ba ka-flexible lang mag-invest dito sa Solen Residences, dito sa ating extension? So at my back guys, may kita nyo, nandito na yung updated about sa development. Ayan guys, so dito natin pag-usapan about sa price. Para at least may kita nyo, nagawa na talaga yung daan, may mga ano na rin, poste, no? And dito naman sa Solen guys, we are semi-underground. So every post na yan, may kita nyo, 5 houses po yung nakakabit yan. So hindi siya ganun karaming poste at least, no? And very premium pa rin yung development, same as phase 1 existing natin, phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. So dito may chance pa kayong makakuha ng ganitong development right now dito sa phase 1D. So speaking of that, no, I prepare a sample computation. Block 4, lot 6, it has a lot area of 150 square meter. And again guys, ang price per square meter na natin dito is around 49,000 pesos per square. That's the starting price, no? So pwede tayong makakuha ng ganyang kamura pa. And isa sa pinaka hina-highlight ko dito is yung payment terms po niya, kung gaano kagaan, no? Dahil ang ating payment terms lang is 10% down payment payable pa in 18 months, and then the 90% remaining is payable through bank financing, or you can pay it in cash. So some of my clients, lalo na sa abroad, nagbabayad sila, no, ng down payment monthly for 18 months, and then pag nagkaroon sila ng schedule, pag uwi nila dito, minsan sakto sa tapos ng down payment nila, binabayaran nila in full, no? So cash na rin nila binabayaran, hindi nila ibinabank. So pwede rin naman po sa inyo yun, kung kagaya kayo nila na nasa abroad din, or if you want to maximize it, di ba? Kung pwede pa naman tayo ma-approve sa bank, why not? Pwede natin siya i-maximize, pwede po natin siya ipasok sa bank. So again, it's 10% down payment, 18% months to pay, and then 90% balance is payable through bank financing. And the total selling price we have here is around, for 150 square meter, block 4, lot 6, is around 7,976,620 pesos, no? So yan yung ating amount. Lahat po yan inclusive na other charges, and VAT inclusive na rin po, no? So ang kinaganda nga dito, ang down payment mo is 10% lang, tapos payable in 18 months pa. So your down payment for the whole 18 months is 39,415 pesos. So ganun lang siya kamura. And if you want to secure a unit, so again, it's very flexible nga. The down payment is 10% only, and you will pay it up to 18 months. Ganun siya ka-flexible. And ang ating remaining balance is 8,635,367 pesos, no? So ganun lang po ang ating magiging payment terms. Again, you can pay in cash, or you can loan it through bank financing, no? And if you are ready to invest here in Solen Residences for the pre-selling lot, especially for you na investors, no, you can secure your own unit for 50,000 pesos. So for 50,000, pwede ka na magkaroon ng sarili mong investment na located sa isang exclusive na village dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. And that's it guys. I hope napakita ko sa inyo yung ating Solen Phase 1C and also the Phase 1D, which is yung ilo-launch nga. Malapit na, kaya kung kayo interested, no, just message us. So balik lang tayo sa ating clubhouse, samahan nyo ako. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope na-enjoy nyo yung ating tour, and napakita ko sa inyo yung napakagandang village dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna, Solen Residences. Again, for those of you guys na naghahanap ng lote na may very flexible payment terms, good location, and also may chance na tumaas ang value because of the development in the area, this is your chance, no? So if you're interested and you want to know more about this property or all other developments in the area, feel free to message us. It's 63969-6020-739. It has a Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage para sa ating mga kababayan abroad. And once again guys, this is Carl Winorga, your Prime Properties. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one.